Welcome back. We're down here in the dungeon, and today I got this piece of wood here, and I think we're gonna do a cutout on this thing. But it's kind of rough here, so first I'm gonna get it all sanded down, get it nice and smooth. Take it back here, do my drawing on here, you know, get my outline on so I can take it to the scroll saw, get it all cut out. Then I'll sand it down again, make sure everything's nice and smooth. Do a couple coats of gesso, then I'll take it and I'll paint it, and then I'll probably come back with a black paint pen and go over it with the outlines, and then I will be done. So here we go. Alright, and here we are at the floor. This is where I do all my sanding. This is the best spot to do your sanding. Nice sturdy floor, and I got my orbital sander here. I'm gonna go over it, and then I'll maybe touch it up with a little bit finer stuff. So here we go. Alright, now here we go. I'm gonna get my sketch on here, and using a 4B pencil here, and just a little bit softer lead so I don't dig into the wood with my pencil marks, and this will give me a nice outline for my cutout. So here we go. Alright, now here we are at the rigid scroll saw. Now this thing is a workhorse. And this thing will do a great job at cutting this out. It does great on detail and everything like that. And so here we go. Alright, and there's that. Woo-hoo! Yeah, she's a beauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little sand and go around the edges here, and I'll take her back to the table and get a little black on there so I can still see my lines. And then alright, we're back at the art table here, and I'm gonna use one of these Montana acrylic paint pens to go over my lines here. And so when I gesso it, I'll still be able to see my lines through the gesso, and then I'll also be able to see where I'm going with the paint. So here we go. Alright, here we got some Economy Gesso for oils and acrylics. Artist Quality Acrylic Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple coats of this on the wood here, and it'll dry up and keep the acrylic paint from soaking into the wood, so I get a nice coat of acrylics on there. Alright, it's time for the part that you've all been waiting for. It's time to paint. So there we go. Colors down here. had to go over it a few times, and I got one last thing to do. Is the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my dark purple, go bloop bloop bloop, and yeah, then she'll be done. All right. All right, there it is, all done up. Thanks for watching. You can, go here, subscribe. You can watch this video. You can watch this video. Like my stuff. Check me out on Instagram at itsme_magical. My website is www.itsmemagical.com. And until next time,